Guys, so project pan update. All right, I'll link the previous project pan up here if you are panning and all that jazz. Pray my strength, y'all, because I need help. I pulled out my products. Some of these I was using, some of them I haven't been. So update before I get into it. If you're a panner, all that jazz, or if this is something that interests you, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, follow me on all my social medias. They're down in the description box, and let's get into it. All right. So guys, I had a few primers on my list to pan, okay? And like I said, I linked the panning video, and then it's going to be down in the description box, my first video for the year, okay? So we're about, what, almost 5 months in, right? I have been using stuff. I have. So this Wet n Wild Stay Matte Primer, let's cover it up. Wet n Wild Stay Matte Primer is basically done. Like, real talk, I have maybe, you know, some like at the top or whatever just to squeeze out, but I have used the hell out of it. Like, y'all see, right? Y'all see that, right? I'm very proud of myself for this. So I probably have about 2 more uses in this, and then I will be done, okay? Benefit Professional Matte Rescue. Let me tell you how happy I am that I put this on my panning list. I love this stuff now. It is so good. So between me moisturizing or over moisturizing my skin and using this, like, my skin is not as oily as it was. And I'm not saying that this actually mattifies, because I don't think it does, but between this and what you call it, anyways, I'm really liking this. I lost my train of thought, but I'm really liking this. And I have about, I need to start squeezing it from the top. I need to get one of those toothpaste things that like push stuff down, but this was full when I started, and like I've used about 1/4 of it, about that much or whatever. So definitely will finish this year, praise God. Melanie Mills, I used this all during my vacation. This is the Deep Gold. I used it today underneath my foundation. You can't really tell because I'm wearing a very full coverage foundation, but I've been using this. I need to use it more. I've just been adding it into my foundations and all that kind of stuff, and just using it like that. And especially now that it's summer, I'll be adding it like all up in here. You know how folks are using what's that girl's name, Rihanna stuff. I'll be using this, okay? So this one again, it was mostly full, and I've used a lot of it. So I'll finish. I'll hopefully be finished with this by October. That's my goal. That's my goal. Maybe before. So I've been trying to make it a point to do my makeup before work, okay? I don't wear a lot of makeup, even though I have a lot of makeup, but during the week I'm not really wearing makeup like that. But I have been trying to at least do some makeup, and there's foundations that I've been trying out and stuff like that. So I've been doing my makeup, and I've been using the Wet n Wild concealers as my concealers. I have to use these together because this is basically my skin tone, and this makes it kind of that highlighting concealer that I like to use. So I use these together. I do think this one is closer to be done because I can see holes in it or whatever. Oh, the lip products are downstairs. I'll just tell y'all gonna have to take my word for it. And this one, of course, it is lighter, so I have a lot more left in it, but these I'm working on. When I start to really have to scrape on this one, I will take the stopper out like I do for my Tarte one and really finish it. And then this one is another kind of, hey girl, surprise, you like this thing. This is the Makeup Forever Full Cover, and I've been using this as my eyeshadow base. It's wonderful as an eyeshadow base. So I'll take it and I'll literally put it all, well, not in my eyebrow, but basically from here down, and it is it is awesome. It doesn't crease. This is OG Makeup Forever, so this isn't something that, you know, is like blasted on social media or anything like that, but It is so good. It doesn't crease. It stays kind of tacky, but not super tacky. It works so well. I used it. This is the only base. I didn't put a white base down. I use it for this look. It's so good. And my eyeshadows are on all day. Bright, vibrant, everything. If I'm doing a bright, vibrant look, love. So I've used, this will be done. This will be done. I use this every time I wear shadow. I'm using this. So that'll definitely get finished. Okay, foundations, guys. I think I might have to take these foundations out. These are the Naked Skin foundations. I'm not sure they were separated. So I'm not sure if they're good or not. And I don't want to risk it. But this is, of course, more emptier than this one. So I cannot say that I will be finishing these. It says that it has a 6-month lifespan. These are at least a year old, like for real. So I don't know about those two, but these two they're getting there. This one I feel like is almost empty, but I have to use these together. So if I finish this one before the Jouer one, I will have to find a deeper foundation to mix this one with. But I did get the new shade. I got Pecan in the Jouer foundation. That's what I'm wearing today. It is life. It is life. But I am gonna finish these. But my God, this Jouer foundation, life, y'all, life. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes I didn't use. I don't even feel bad. Why did I say I was gonna pan some eyeshadow? I don't know, because I can't stick to one palette or whatever. I didn't even open these. I have not even opened these for the past 4 months, okay? So these neutral eye palettes, I think my thinking was I'm going to wear neutral eyeshadows. But I wear what I want. And I recently bought like the Natasha Denona Travel palette, which is a beautiful neutral palette. Of course, it has that row of colors, but it's a beautiful neutral palette. And then I bought Pat McGrath's palettes. Those are basically neutral palettes with pops. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna use those. But I have been using Toby and Neo. Those were the 2 shades in this that I said I wanted to pan. Why did I add blushes? Blushes are so hard to pan because you don't use a lot of product. But I use it basically every day. Every time I'm wearing what is it, makeup, I do use Toby. I used Toby today. Can you tell? Probably not. But yeah, so this, you can see the brush marks. Can you see the brush marks? Focus. You can see the brush marks, but that's about it. I don't know. That's depressing to look at. That's probably going to... I have panned a blush before. I have. But I literally had that blush for 5 years and used it often. This one I do feel good about. This is Becca Topaz, if it'll stay open. Becca Topaz, and y'all see that ring coming through. I don't know, can you see how there's a dent in it? I feel like it's coming. I feel like it's coming. And then I had 2 lip products. My ABH Sepia Lip Gloss, it's downstairs. I don't feel like running downstairs, but that is on its last leg. I took the stopper out, so I will finish that lip gloss. And then my Be Elegance spray tan. I want to say spray tan. That one, not a lot of progress, but I have been wearing that daily when I am wearing makeup. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I wear it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss, since they're basically the same color. One's just a matte lipstick and one's a gloss. And yeah, that's my Project Pan update. Progress in some things, a lot of lack of progress in others. But we gonna make it. We gonna make it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. So excited about my highlighter. And then I've just fallen in love with this. This is so good, y'all. This is so, if you have this and you're not using it, try using it as a eyeshadow base, because I hate it under my eyes. But this is an eyeshadow base. Bomb. Okay. All right, guys. So if you're panning, let me know how your panning project for the year is going. And yeah, hopefully you're making more progress than I am. All right, so I will talk to y'all later. Bye.